Hi guys! The birthday girl Haneul looks super adorable today in her white dress, doesn't she? Yeah, she turned 2 today, but taking some pics of her to celebrate this special day wasn't simple as I needed the picky girl's cooperation. So, in this video, you will see what happened in my photo taking mission for her and the unexpected hilarious happening. And also, as a mom of a schooler, I need to prepare some stuff for the birthday party that will be held in my girls' nursery school. As this is the first time for me to have this type of event, I'm kind of excited to do this. So, I'd like to share the story as well. Oh, and because this is about a birthday party, I will deal with some present-related expressions like 수제 and 풍선. Hello, I'm Boli, and it's Boli's Korean. So, my mission today is first, taking photos of Haneul in a dress, and second, to prepare the party in the nursery school. That's why I'm heading this shop to buy some party supplies I need. So here I am. I'm on the work right away. Next to the wall banner, I put this number balloon that I bought in the shop. It seems much bigger than I thought. But luckily it wasn't difficult to make it aired like this. Most of all, it's as pretty as I expected. Yay! It seems like she loves it so much, right? Unexpectedly facing my baby's happy face is one of the most special presents only parents get enjoy. Thank you, girl, for being happy. But of course, her angry face is also coming up, as always. A pretty cake with a pretty candlestick. And here goes the special dresses. Look! They are even handmade. Can you believe this? My sister-in-law made these 2 dresses. Obviously, this is the most special gift for my girl that's birthday. And we say 수제, 수제 in front of something to indicate those handmade including homemade. So in this case, these are 수제 드레스, meaning handmade dresses. Now, you'll see why I just said the most special gift. The dresses are not core. Here are also handmade bonnet, and here is handmade hairband, which are 수제 bonnet and 수제 머리띠 in Korean. Before photo taking, I'm doing my best not to make her angry. I mean, not to make her hungry. What a rhyme! Are you ready to watch my princess in a dress again? So cute, extremely adorable. I realized that this is why the moms of daughters love to make the girls wear dresses like princess, because it literally makes them true princess. But soon, I also realized that this is only me. The mom's fantasy. That's not something the girl wants. She's not that princess type I imagined. Look, she refuses the hairband. And then... After a few times of her roaring, the dress got apart. Oh my gosh. By any chance, are you on wild animal? Dreaming of a princess with my girl was definitely my mistake. What she wants is that playing with the number balloon I prepared, which is 풍선, 풍선 in Korean, in a comfortable clothes. Alright, I know that I'm only happy when she's happy, so I gave up trying the second dress on her, not to make another dress apart, and also not to make the girl as a wild animal. Can you see her happy face? Now, it's time to prepare the stuff for the party in the nursery school. As you see, since there are 3 birthday girls and this means the teacher already distributed the specific things to bring. In Haneul's case, those fruits, bananas, apples, and strawberries for 20 babies. And also, I ordered online some gifts to give others kids as 답례품. 답례품 is presents to give back to people who congratulate somebody. As I dealt with this word in another video in detail, if you are interested, please follow the link above. That's about a birthday party in a nursery school. So, the hand towels or the 답례품 I prepared for the kids. The fruits, a dress lovely fixed by her grandmom, and 답례품. I need to take them to her school now. Thank you as always for sharing my special moments, everyone. Have a happy day. Bye!